back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. I don't know when you'll see this video. I've got some awesome stuff coming up for you guys. So I think a few videos back I did a video installing a Trinity Stage 5 on a Pro XP, but it was kind of a poorly filmed video, and I ended up leaving. So basically this whole story is I was helping my buddy build his race car, and we ended up, like, I was coming over and helping him in the evenings and whatever when I had time. And so I was wanting to video it and kind of get some videos out, but it just wasn't working out because he would like finish whatever I couldn't finish the next day while he was working on it. So like I'd film as much as I could, and then the next day, or the next week when I could finally make it out there was a whole bunch more done to the car, so I couldn't really, I don't know how to explain it, I couldn't film the whole process. So what I've got over here is I've got a Trinity Stage 5, just a slip-on to replace the exhaust on my Turbo S. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and start throwing it on the car. It's just a couple 13 millimeters if I remember right, and then you take all that junk off and assemble your Trinity. We're back. I had to go grab a little bit. Oh god, it's outside of the container. I'm gonna grab some anti-seize, or whatever you guys call it in your part of the world. If you're watching this in a different part of the world, whoever watches this. Anyways, grabbed some anti-seize from over in the farm shop. We're just gonna go ahead and put a little bit on each one of the threads, each bolt, not the threads. We'll make sure we get that sealed up, set out of the way. Why doesn't it fit now? What the? All right. Let me loosen them back up. That's why I put the anti-seize on there, because I knew I was going to be taking it back off. See, that wiggles. So I bet when I eventually get this installed on there, yep. There we go. All right, I grabbed the opposite anti-seize. We got some Loctite because on my last exhaust, the last Trinity, lost almost all of these bolts. So, even if the Loctite cooks out of there, I'm at least trying. We'll go ahead and get these Loctite. See what you guys think. Does it look straight? Does it look square? Does it look how it's supposed to? I'm kind of just lining the camera up with the 2 gaps and the stickers right there. Looks all right, doesn't it? The edges look like they line up. Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, what you've been waiting for this whole video. I don't even know how long this is by now. There's a bolt. There's an extra bolt on the tire. Oh well. Anyways, we're gonna fire her up. Oh, sounds pretty good. I already got the exhaust all colored. That's pretty rad. It's definitely a lot louder. It's definitely a lot louder than the stock one, that's for sure. I guess it's been a while. I've had this thing for 2 years. I think it's been 2 years. I had this Turbo S, and it's been on stock exhaust this whole time. It's been painted, powder coated, all that stuff, and I've just rolled with stock exhaust. So I'm really excited to have a actual exhaust on it because this thing looks. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure if you like it, you like it. You subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one.